maybe I'm going the wrong way. And that happens sometimes. You're flying and you doubt yourself. You can't doubt yourself. You have to know. No, I'm not going the wrong way. This is the right way. Okay, people, I want to make a video about the scavenger hunt. And what happened. I have a whole pile of footage, and this is what happens. I make all these videos and I get overwhelmed. I don't even know what to do. So it's like 21 minutes of footage, and we're just gonna like scroll through it like this and see what happened.
I just bloody went to the park, perched on a light. Okay, I perched on a light, I slid down a slide, went through the trees, flew up to the top, disarmed, undisarmed, caught myself with the dive thing, flew through a kid's legs and got him to make the thing, flew through his arms too, and then face punched myself.
So like I did like 6 things in a row, and for the scavenger hunt you had to do like 3. Why? What happened?
But I wasn't recording. Who? Recording for you?
Yeah, whatever. So HD0 records for you, and then you get used to that, and then you go in your analog, and then you forget to record. That's what I did, so I missed out on that. All I have is like failure. Lots of failure. You know what though? It's the preseason. This was a fun one. I was super excited. I was going to like try and get all of them, but it is just a video about failure and how even if you fail, you can still have fun. You shouldn't quit. Okay. So then I saw this gate and I was just like, I'm gonna hit, there's like 12 bikes. We're going to try and do the 12 bike thing. I was like, maybe we'll perch a bit or something. Avery's with me. Okay. Yeah, maybe. It was also very, very windy. Yeah. So there was a lot of that happened. Did we even get close? I don't even think we got that close. It was just a nightmare. Grass and stuff. But now that I look at it, the grass isn't even in that way. I'm just a terrible pilot. Like I'm supposed to go through 12 of these without hitting anything. Yeah, right. Okay, so now we found a different one on our walk, and I'm like, oh yeah, I can do this one. It's just cement. There's no grass. There's no excuses, and I'm going to be able to do it. And you know, we did get pretty close, but not here. Not yet. Okay, then I'm just like, okay, I'm sick of this. We're gonna go do a dive. Let's do a dive. Oh, and it was all on the little screen too, darn it. It's windy. Like it's just hard to get up there. And my trusty Air 75 now on its like 3rd frame. I cracked probably the 3rd frame now. But it got me through Racegow, and now we're going through iGow. We're waiting for a Meteor Pro 75 so that we can use that. But the Air 75 flies so well. Just the frame is weak. Inside you're fine, but you can't fly outside with this thing. Like it flies nice, but it's just when you hit things, it breaks. When you hit things, they break. Yeah, and then we're like, yeah, we're gonna do it. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. So close. Yeah. Did you guys have some of that? If you don't succeed, try again. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. 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 No. Yeah, we did it! Amazing! Next, okay, so now we go through the park, the whole park series. Here, we do our perch. We do get our perch. Oh, no, we don't. Come on, let's go. Nope. Oh, we saved ourselves, though. I fell a lot. Stuck on the roof upside down. That could have been bad, right? There we go. So we got a perch, and in one clip we're supposed to do like 3 in a row. So perch, do a little slide. That's like after I already did it. We're back again to try and get the 3 in a row. Okay, we got our perch. Then we got our little, here we go. We got our little tree exploration. Explored the trees for 4 seconds and the people. Also, my lens is like focused on my whoop instead of like further, so it's like everything's blurry and analog. So this was like super fun. But now see, we got the perch, we got the tree exploration, and then guess what we're gonna do now? The disarm dive. Yay! But it was like the save was not last second. Like in the other one, it was last second, so that was sick. And then, yeah, there was a kid here that like was checking it out. I'm like, open your legs. I flew through his legs. Yeah, I failed on the wall slide too. Like the slide, everything was just bad. And it was just like I had this one clip where I had everything, like 6 in a row. It was perfect. I didn't record, so that just kind of ruined this whole thing. You know, we're doing a little bit of whoop exploration. This is just for fun. Hey, people. Okay. Person with their dog, little flippy flip. More people with their dogs, more flippy flips. And strollers and babies and all that good stuff. That was fun. Tried to get another stranger to let us fly through his arms, and he was really friendly. He even tried to make it fun. Like he did this like ice cream thing, and he really trusted me, and I totally abused that trust. So he was really nice. I asked, like, I legitimately, right?
Have I ever met you before? Yeah. See, certified stranger. Okay, cool.
I never met him before. I met his brother at this shop in the mall where I work, and then I showed them all FPV. So the other guy and this guy are like brothers, and they're kind of here, and then this is the other owner, and I think he really didn't like me. Like, he didn't look at me or anything. I don't know. His girlfriend was really friendly, but he was just kind of like, I think that's the only moment that he was like a little bit, that's cool, but he just kind of hid there, and I don't know. Uh-oh. No! You're sleepy. Go to sleep.
What are you doing?
I'm making a quick video.
Stop.
Well, it's going to be quicker if you just go to sleep and leave me alone. Here, we tried again. We tried to get some stuff. This was another stranger that was like shopping in the store. I'm like, hey. So I flew through him, and we set this up because that's for sale. And he didn't think I could fly through the coat hanger, but I knew I could. First try. Yeah. And then, yeah, celebration spins. And then look over here. Okay, we're saying hi to everyone. Hello. Oh, it's so cool. Not impressed. And now we have the most random thing, but look, we have like the whole skateboard ramp, so we can do a little skateboarding. So exciting. So amazing. Yeah, great. Okay, we failed at that too. It's like the scavenger hunt of failure. That's what I'm going to call this video. Like, we're happy.
What a beautiful day with great people. It was a really, really good day. Now I'm going to the movies to see Willow and Stitch with my baby.
That was a really good, happy day. The arrow, okay? This is the arrow. We got the arrow. Dun, 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 dun. This is what it actually looked like. It was fun and sketchy, like always. Analog. Just like, don't hit that wall. Now don't hit this wall. There's 12 of them. There is. Wait, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and an elephant for a bonus. Yeah, amazing. Okay, lots of things everywhere, and I'm hiding in a very discreet spot, right in the middle of the sidewalk. Okay, now we go to the next fun spot. This was fun. This was like, okay, we're done with the whole scavenger hunt thing, and now we're just going to fly a few packs and get them in HD because we haven't done that in a while. So we go up. Woo! Oh, that was sweet. And we come down. And I know that there's like this kind of like hole in the side of the building, so I want to fly through it. Never done that before. So we're going to do that. I also made a beautiful like mix with like rock music like a rock music video, but all the music, I did like a medley, you know, where you take a pile of songs and mash them together. I did like a mashup.
Let's go! Always trying to pick it up. He waits for it to end and for the aching in his guts to save
Of rock that's really fun, but if I put it on YouTube, it'll be like blocked because of all the copyright music in it that I spend hours putting together. But it's available for my Patreons, every Patreon level, so like except the free one. So if you join Patreon for $2, you can go watch it. It's like the only piece of content I put up there. But if you find me entertaining, yeah, at least smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit both those, flick the bell, do it all. We were doing this all right outside the police station. Yeah. So the police love it. They do. They're great. They got better things to do. There's like just lots of crazy stuff happening. Yeah, this was fun. Another dive. You know me, I love my dives. So we go up the building. Yeah, up the building, and we come down the building. I got it all in like, yeah, it was sweet. It was sweet. That's what I see. That's what it looks like, okay? That's what it looks like when I do it.
Had a nice little rip. That was pretty sweet.
Yeah, it was very sweet. Only fly gold an hour. It's just like, oh. If only it looked that good. If only I had an 04 and 03 goggles. Yeah. It's crazy what a difference it looks in HD. Makes it look like you're actually doing something cool. In analog, it's just, I do like seeing analog though. I like seeing like how sketchy it is. Especially when people are like much better pilots. Like Phoenix or Phoenix, or I love when you see like the analog feed. Okay, so we got to see some of that. And I'll just show you the dive on the other one. Because we're here, but you see how we're looking that way so that we can get all the way down there. I made a video all about where to position yourself and how to think about what you're doing when you're doing like dives especially. And I'm going to link that basically right now. If you like this video and you made it this far and you haven't watched that video, then you really should watch that video, because it'll really kind of help you understand how, even though maybe my flights seem sketchy or whatever, I planned them out pretty well. Maybe, perhaps. Okay, go watch it. Don't forget to smash the like button. Join my $2 Patreon. Let me just show you what it looked like at that area, because there was something specifically that happened. What was it that happened? It's in this one. Oh my god. Where was it here? No. What? Okay, so we dive down the building. Now we're coming back. And as we're coming back, like I'm like over here somewhere. So it's like this should not be blocking me. Nothing should be blocking me. I'm going the right way to get back. And for some reason, well, like it just felt like I was losing video right here. I'm just like, that's fun to fly through. So because I was losing the video, I was like, maybe I'm going the wrong way. And that happens sometimes. You're flying and you doubt yourself. You can't doubt yourself. You have to know. No, I'm not going the wrong way. This is the right way. Just like imagine I start flying the other way. No. I'm like, this is the right way. There's the bloody crane. There's the building, and I'm right over here. Okay, hope you had fun.